set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day. Myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Right now, pull it up and look like that. So Ed, could you enlighten us on exactly what's going on here behind us?
Well, it's all about seeds and growth, and potatoes are a great example of what Jesus has done for us. Mm-hmm. You know, he plants the seeds and they multiply, and matter of fact, these multiply about 10. We plant about 1,000 pounds every year in May, and then we harvest them and we get about 10,000 pounds back. But what we found is kids digging, we have lots of people digging, but people digging, they have their hands in the dirt and they work together, they have teamwork, they take some potatoes home and they have mom and dad or grandma and grandpa cook them, and so they learn a lot of things. They learn how to work together as a team. They learn what God has given us. They learn how to share. The people that dig, they take half home for themselves or to give to their neighbors, and the other half they leave for charity. The food bank stores them for us, and there goes another wheelbarrow load of potatoes. The food bank stores it for us for the Valley Blessings on Thanksgiving, and that is we typically feed about 1,200 to 1,400 families on Thanksgiving with Thanksgiving baskets, and so these potatoes are part of the potato part that goes out, and so it's just a wonderful experience. I don't know. We started this 7 years ago.
Who picks out here?
Well,
anybody can come and do this?
Anybody. It's open to anybody. It's basically word of mouth. Mm-hmm. The church announces it. People get used to coming, and so it's wide open. I do want to share one thing. Mm-hmm. That 3 years ago, when we were doing it over there on our farm, we had a family of 5 come. It was a husband and a wife and 2 young kids, like these small kids that just, here's one, they're digging to have. But they had I don't know if she was 8th grade, 9th grade, but they had a daughter. They made get out of the car and come over to the potato digging. And but she was dressed in white high heels and white pants. She had painted hair and long, beautiful fingernails. And of course, she didn't want any part of it, but they made her get out into the field.
Yeah.
And so she was standing there as her little brother and sister were digging and having a good time, and she was on her iPhone. About 15 minutes later, I looked over there, and she was down on her hands and knees and digging in the white clothes and the big fingernails. She stayed 3 hours.
Wow.
And when the family left the field, they left arm in arm.
That's awesome.
And so there are many of those kinds of things that happen.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Ed. Thank
All
you
right.
for what you do here.
God bless you.
Yeah, it's a wonderful thing.